In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Truist Online Banking. This process is quick and simple, and I'll guide you step by step to make sure you can access your bank account seamlessly. To start, open your preferred internet browser. Any browser will do, so choose the one you're most comfortable with. In the search bar, type Truist Bank and hit enter. It should bring up a list of search results. What we're looking for is the official Truist website, which usually appears as the first result. You'll recognize it from the official URL, truist.com. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Truist Bank homepage. Once you've landed on the homepage, you're going to want to find the login section. On the homepage itself, look for a login button or link. It's typically prominently displayed toward the top of the page, so it shouldn't be hard to spot. This is where you'll enter your user ID and password to access your account. In the login field, you'll first need to enter your user ID. Your user ID is a unique identifier that was set up when you created your online banking account. If you've forgotten it, there may be a Forgot User ID option you can use to recover it. This process is generally straightforward, often requiring verification of some info like your email or phone number. Now type in your user ID into the corresponding field without any extra spaces. Accuracy is key here, so double check to ensure the user ID is entered correctly. Once that's done, move on to the password field. Enter your password carefully, making sure each character is correct. If you're typing on a phone, be extra mindful of the correct capitalization and special characters, as mobile keyboards can sometimes cause input mistakes. After both fields have been filled out, look for a button that says Sign In. Click on it, and as long as your user ID and password are entered correctly, you should be successfully logged into your Truist Online Banking account. A quick note: if you experience any issues logging in, there might be an error with your credentials. Don't worry, you can often recover or reset both your user ID and password right from the login page. Most banks have a support or help section you can consult for guidance on recovering access. There you have it. You've successfully logged into Truist Online Banking, giving you access to manage your accounts, pay bills, and more from the convenience of your device. Keep your login credentials safe and confidential to protect your personal banking information. Thanks for watching, and happy banking.